If you've done a search for different AI writing programs, you've likely come across Sudowrite. And this is a look at what Sudowrite looks like inside one of your projects. So you see here in the middle, we have a place where you can type manually, or you can use different features to help you whenever you're stuck. And these do involve AI right here. In addition to using the tools to write in this area, you also have different sections for organizing various things for your stories. So if organization is what you're needing, it can help with that too. And you can do all the manual writing you want. You don't have to have AI help you in any way with your writing. But if you do like AI, you have different options. So you'll see here, these are the different ones that Sudowrite offers. We have Muse, Sudowrite's little program, Excellent, which is Claude 3.7 Sonnet. And we have Basic, which is 4.0 Mini. And then you have some other choices down here. You don't need an API key. You don't need to hook anything up. You can come inside Sudowrite and start working immediately. There are also various other tools that you can use inside Sudowrite. And in this playlist of videos, I am going to be going over things like that, such as with our plugins, first draft, the feedback feature, various things like that. So if you want to dive into this playlist, some of the videos will be short, around a few minutes as I go through each feature in each video. Some will be a little bit longer as I cover the basics and some best practices and tips.